If you're looking to make a healthy, wholesome, high protein curry, then I would definitely recommend you trying this black chana and potato curry. First, let's make a tasty masala paste. In a blender, I've added in grated coconut. Next, I'll be adding in some roughly chopped tomatoes. Once the tomatoes I've added in some garlic cloves. Then goes in some fennel seeds, and then add in a little bit of water and blend it into a smooth masala paste and keep it aside. Now our masala paste is ready. Now in a cooker, add in oil. Once the oil is heated, add in some cumin seeds. Once the cumin seeds start spluttering, add in chopped onions and curry leaves and fry the onions really very well. The curry leaves needs to turn crispy and the raw smell of the onions needs to go, and the onions need to turn slightly pink. Now our onions has been sauteed really very well. At this stage, let's add in some salt to taste. Next, I'll be adding in some chili powder. After chili powder, I'll be adding in some turmeric powder, very basic spices, just spices which we usually keep in our kitchen shelf, just one of those, but yet this gravy turns out to be really very well. Next, I'm adding in some coriander powder, then goes in some garam masala powder. I'll be adding garam masala powder. Once you add this, you need to fry the onions really very well with the masalas. So the raw smell or the raw taste of the masala needs to go in. See, this is how you need to fry it. But if you feel if the water consistency is, just add in a little bit of water so that it doesn't burn down. But this is how we roast the masala so that the flavor of the curry turns out to be really very well. Now I'm adding in soaked black chana. I've soaked it at least for 6 to 7 hours. Now I've added in chopped potatoes and let's mix it really very well. Once you've mixed the potatoes and chana, next you need to add in the masala paste which we previously made and mix it really very well. See to that the black chana and the potatoes are beautifully covered with the masalas which we made previously. Mix it really very well first without adding any kind of water. Now there is no any kind of pre-prep. This recipe will be done very quickly. The only thing what you need to do is soak the black chana previous night or just 6 to 7 hours before. Now I've added in water as per the consistency. Let's give it 3 to 4 whistles. Now our chana has been cooked really very well. You can just mix it now and just take one of the chana and see whether it's cooked really very well. For me, the black chana has been cooked really very well. Now let's garnish it with some fresh coriander leaves. Now if you want, you can add in water as per your consistency and just give it a good mix. This particular gravy goes really very well with your puri, chapati, roti, even with your rice. It's high in protein. Kids will love it. You will love it. Please note the measurement are on the screen. I would definitely recommend you trying this. This gives a lovely taste. Definitely try this. If you like my recipe, please do try it once and please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.